Yo, this is the Forex Apostle. Live Monday to Friday, 8 to 10. Let's go! Live futures trading with the Forex Apostle, grinding on the charts, profits in the gospel. Money moves daily, discipline the motto, risk it right, manage tight. That's how we prosper. Wake up early, markets calling, I'm here. Candles moving fast, futures crystal clear. NASDAQ running, E is on the line, every tick, every move. Yeah, I studied the signs, but yo, don't copy trades, this is not advice. Education only, gotta think twice. You hold the keys, every click that you choose. Respect the market, you can win, you can lose. Yo, listen up, don't get it twisted. You risk your money, don't trade it riskless. Don't trade cash, you can't afford to lose. Stay disciplined, wise, that's how you choose. They pay on purpose, that's my role. I guide with the knowledge, but you're in control. Risk management is king, money management too. Every outcome, yeah, it's all on you. Hey, live, you just trading with the Forex Apostle, grinding on the charts, profits in the gospel. Money move daily, discipline the motto, risk it right, manage tight. That's how we prosper. Live, you just trading with the Forex Apostle, grinding on the charts, profits in the gospel. Money moves daily, discipline the motto, risk it right, manage tight. That's how we prosper. Yeah. I seen losses, I seen wins, that's the grind. Trading ain't a sprint, it's a marathon mind. Patience pays, greed kills, that's the code. Stay in your lane, never overload. Yo, we build, not chase, stack knowledge high. Trust the process, let the losses fly. You control the outcome, no blame the shift. Success comes slow, discipline is the game. Live, futures trading with the Forex Apostle, grinding on the charts, profits in the gospel. Money moves daily, discipline the motto, risk it right, manage tight. That's how we prosper. Live, futures trading with the Forex Apostle, grinding on the charts, profits in the gospel. Money moves daily, discipline the motto, risk it right, manage tight. That's how we prosper. Yeah, this is the Forex Apostle. We live, we learn, we trade smart. Remember, your money, your rules, your responsibility. Stay disciplined, and let's get it.
All right, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, depends on where you are connected from. My name is Emmanuel Adigbola, and I want to welcome you to futures trading this morning, Monday, September 8th, 2025. So today is Monday, and we just go look into the market and see what we got. There is no news today. So with that said, it therefore means that there might not be too much volatility today. So, but let's see what we got. Let me share my screen. If you are connected, kindly let me know where you are connected from, your name, your location, and let's see. We have. Let me know if you can see my screen. Can you see my screen, guys? Can you see my screen? All right. Okay. Okay, can you see my screen right there? Okay, let me know if you can see the screen. So right now I'm going to be checking 15 minutes, since we trade on a lower time frame, there's no point of looking at daily. Okay, so I'm just going to look at 15 minutes. As you can see right now, I'm trading Nasdaq, just in case you are watching. I'm trading Nasdaq, and as you can see, Nasdaq rallied down here and it's been trying to fill this move. So with the way I'm seeing this, I mean, we are not predicting, we are just going to be reacting to the market. However, from what I can see right now, as you can see, it's too early to determine what the market is going to do. Like I said, first of all, there's no news. So today is Monday, September 8th. There's no news right now. Tuesday also, there's no news. So it's Wednesday. And since we trade Nasdaq, it moves mainly with news. But let's see. Today is Monday. We can take a look. This is 4 hours. As you can see, on 4 hours, this is where we have our pivot point right there. So we have the pivot that which is the resistance level there. Let's mark that place. So right here, that is on 4 hours. That is the pivot right there, the resistance. And also we have the major pivot there. And the way the pivot point works is the market always find itself around it. So now the market is above it. One way or the other, I'm expecting that the market might possibly come back to where we have these pivot points. Okay, I mean that is what I would be expecting. Let's make this give me a call. Let's make it a purple. So that's our pivot point right there. And as you can see, this is the where we have support. So the market either move up here and come back down. This is where we have the support. This is another right there. Let's make this one red. Okay, so we have the main pivot point here. We have the first resistance up there. We have the support down there. This is on 4 hours. Now, if you come to 15 minutes, you can see what we got here. So the same thing, like I said, the market is right now more or less ranging. So it's too early to call. What we're just going to do is we're just going to react. We are not going to be predicting. But from what I'm saying, this market should sell today. I mean, that is my personal bias. Okay. So this is the resistance here on 15 minutes. And right on 15 minutes, we have the support down there. So you can see it's been quiet all morning from London session. From London session, it's been very, very quiet. By the way, if you are connected to this stream, do me a favor, type in your name and where you are connected from. Let's just have fun. It's too early to be so nervous. So let's have fun. So type in your name and your location. So you see 15 minutes, nothing is happening there. Let's go to 5 minutes. So 5 minutes also, as you can see, is also so rigid. Now, let me just quickly explain my system and what I am looking at. As long as this green, okay, is below this red, I'm looking for a sell. If the green crosses over the red, I'm looking for a buy. Okay, that is what I'm looking at. So right now, I'm not looking to buy, but to sell this market. So now, this is our 20 EMA. If you went through the training that I did, we have the 20. This is 20 EMA, the source. This one here is high, and the source of this is low. So for us to sell this market, I'm expecting my bearish candle to close below my 20 EMA low. Okay, so once that happens, then we're looking to go short. Now I'll be trading on 1 minute, but we're just doing our analysis on 5 and 15 minutes. Now let's see the London session, what has happened. So you can see this is the high of London. Indirectly, liquidity here has been swept. Okay, so take a look over there. This is the London high right there. Liquidity has been swept, so we expect to come down, but then it came down and also went back up. So is it going to form like a double top there and go down? Let's see. And from most cases, when Monday market opens like this, the market always more or less, first of all, rally up, then come down. Okay, so we go. Pastor Olubenga, yeah, I'm going to mute you, but if you have any question, you can just type on the private, or you can unmute, provided there is no noise at the background. Thank you for joining. Okay, so right here, so we're looking for this. Now, take a look at this resistance zone here, and there's a support zone here. This is still on 5 minutes. Now, when you look over here, you see this is the London kill zone, the London session kill zone, right there, ICT kill zone, you can see. So this is the high right here, and this is the low. So we have taken out this high, okay, and the market was supposed to come down, but it didn't make it down here. So once again, it might be forming like double top and just come down. Okay, that might happen. Just like this, like this, and just come down. But then it's just too early to call right now. So let's see what we got. That's on 5 minutes. So just to be clear, I'm going to mark this. This is London kill zone high there, and this is the London kill zone low. Okay, so I mean that is what I am looking at. So it's at high of this. Okay, is it going to continue downward? That is what I'm thinking. But once again, we are not going to predict, we are just going to react. Now let's see the previous day. Okay, the previous day low and high. That will be Friday. Where do we have? Let's see, where do we have Friday? Let's see. Okay, yeah, it's high. So let's see what we got. Take a look over here. Okay, I'm on 15 minutes. This is previous day low. So this is low of Friday, way down here. Can you see it? That's right there. This is low of Friday. So is it possible the market can just come all the way down here? I doubt. I mean, there's nothing possible. Remember, it came down and it's been going back up. So is it going to fill this one back up? This is the previous week high, which is also, we can consider the previous day low. And this is right there. So taking a look at this, it's too early to determine what the market is going to do. 15 minutes before the market opens. So let's see what we got. We just go wait and see the market opens. This is this previous day. See, previous day low right there, right here. This is previous day low right there. So that is very, very far from it. Also remember where we have our pivot. This is the pivot right there. So on 5 minutes, it's too early to call. Okay, guys, if you are connected, do me a favor, leave your comments. And basically, we are trading features. Once again, we are trading features. I will try to be disciplined. I will not FOMO into any trade. Remember that not placing a trade is also a trade. And just in case you are just joining us once again, this is what I'm looking at. This is my 20 EMA high and low. Okay, this gives us like a channel, okay, which we're trading. So this is 20 EMA close to the source is high, as you can see. Then this one here, the source is low. So how we will sell is to have something like this, then we'll sell downward. But if it continue going up, we go up. But then for me to buy, there must be congruence, okay, confluence between this and this. By the way, this is my 20 thermal, okay. I tested this system last week and it worked perfectly fine. So I just formed it myself. Like you can see, this is stochastic RSI, but I disable the D, okay? The D is disabled and my settings for my upper band is 80, the lower band is 20, and of course the RSI length, I put it as 50. The stochastic length, I put it as 50, just in case you are trading with me and you want to use the same system. So this is my settings. And the time frame, I'm using the chart, which will be the chart that I'm on. So that is the stochastic. Then this one here is thermal, okay? Triple exponential moving average. So basically what I did was this was supposed to be up here, existing pain above. So this is how it was, okay? But in order for me to trade this breakout, so what I did was I put this thermal down. So what I did, I move to existing pain below. So right there. And in order for us to have a very good layout, there is this automatic, as you can see, auto fix data to screen. I enable that. So this is what we have. So in order for us to actually, place a trade, what are the rules? The rules is to buy. There must be a buy signal, number one. Number two, my Ekneshi candle or regular candle, it depends on which one I come to use, must close above my 20 EMA high. And number two, this green, which is my stochastic RSI, must be above my 20 triple exponential moving average. It's a very simple system, but once you understand the rule, you just follow the rules and you trade with it. So that is exactly what we have. So if you don't get that, please possibly you watch the replay and understand the rule. But it's very, very simple. So now let's go to 1 minute. This is 8, 9, 10. So on 1 minute, as you can see, we're going to be trading on 1 minute. Okay, we're going to be trading on 1 minute, and I'm going to be trading Apex. Now I'm trading futures, but then if you are trading Forex, the same thing, the same analysis goes, the same system. Okay, you just use, instead of you trading futures, now you are trading Forex, but remember we are trading Nasdaq. Okay, Prince, I see you there. Welcome. Good to see you. Pastor Olubenga, good to see you. Okay, and guys, if you are watching on YouTube, just type in your name so I can recognize you. So right now we are above. This is the, remember this is right here. This is London kill zone high. Okay, we are above it. If you go to regular candle, I don't like regular candle too much because it's the noise is too much, especially if you are trading on lower time frame. So that's why. But by the way, can you guys hear me very clearly, please? I just want to be sure because I've just been talking, and also
yes, we can hear you. Yes,
oh, awesome, awesome, thank you. So if you look at it very well, so the markets come down, go back up. Now it's forming, you see, it's forming like a pin bar there. Ordinarily, I would just place a sell right now. You see, this green has come below that red. That is a sell signal right there, but I'm not going to jump. I want to wait. Number one, the background to give me red. Number two, you see, if you have jumped in now, that would have given you a drawdown, you see. So always wait for your candle, number one, to close. Number two, always wait for all your rules to fall in line. The market is here. You don't need to run. Okay, you don't need to run. So imagine if I had immediately I saw this, if I had jumped in, by now I will be in a drawdown. Okay, and you don't want that. So let's see what the market has for us. We still have 8 minutes. By the way, everything we're doing is for educational purpose only. Please do not trade with the money you cannot afford to lose. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm not telling you what to do with your money. I'm just showing you what I am doing, what is working for me, and I'm showing us. Okay, so let's roll the tape. Just take a drink, kiss your wife, hug your babe, and we will be back in the next 1-2 minutes. We are here.
My future's trading. Risk it right, man, it's tight. That's how we prosper.
Yeah. So
Yo, this is the Forex Apostle. Live Monday to Friday, 8 to 10. Let's go! Live futures trading with the Forex Apostle. Grinding on the charts. Profits in the gospel. Money moves daily, discipline the motto. Risk it right, manage tight, that's how we prosper. Wake up early, markets calling, I'm here. Candles moving fast, futures crystal clear. NASDAQ running, E is on the line. Every tick, every move, yeah, I study the signs. But yo, don't copy trades, this is not advice. Education only, gotta think twice. You hold the keys, every click that you choose. Respect the market, you can win, you can lose. Yo, listen up, don't get it twisted. You risk your money, don't trade it riskless. Don't trade cash, you can't afford to lose. Stay disciplined, wise, that's how you choose. They pay on purpose, that's my role. I guide with the knowledge, but you're in control. Risk management is king, money management too. Every outcome, yeah, it's all on you. Hey, live futures trading with the Forex Apostle. Grinding on the charts, profits in the gospel. Money move daily, discipline the motto. Risk it right, manage tight, that's how we prosper. Live futures trading with the Forex Apostle. Grinding on the charts, profits in the gospel. Money moves daily, discipline the motto. Risk it right, manage tight, that's how we prosper. Yeah. I seen losses, I seen wins, that's the grind. Trading ain't a sprint, it's a marathon mind. Patience pays, greed kills, that's the code. Stay in your lane, never overload. Yo, we build, not chase, stack knowledge high. Trust the process, let the losses fly. You control the outcome, no blame to share. Success comes slow, discipline's the game. Live futures trading with the Forex Apostle. Grinding on the charts, profits in the gospel. Money moves daily, discipline the motto. Risk it right, manage tight, that's how we prosper. Live futures trading with the Forex Apostle. Grinding on the charts, profits in the gospel. Money moves daily, discipline the motto. Risk it right, manage tight, that's how we prosper. Yeah,
5 minutes
this is the Forex Apostle. let's get it.
All right, so as you can see right now,
Risk it right, man, it's tight, that's how we prosper.
so can you see my screen? Now, like what I was explaining, for me to sell this market, okay, this now we have, definitely we can see that the market is trying to either retrace or reverse, okay? Like the rule I stated just before some of you are connected. So for me to sell, this green must be below this red, which we have here. Also, the price action must be below this 20 EMA low. Remember, we have this channel formed with 220 EMA. So the first 20 EMA, the source is high, and the second one, the source is low. So for me to sell right now, I'm expecting if this come back down, okay, I'm selling this, and because this is below this, and we might, it's too early to call. This might turn back and just rally up. If you look at 5 minutes, now 3 minutes for the market to open, this look like a pin bar right there. We have taken, this is high. For some of you that joined early, we did this analysis. We said this is the London kill zone. As you can see, this is the high of London. It has taken it out, cleared that liquidity, came back down, and it came back up. So is it going to form the double top there and come back down, or is it going to continue up? Let's see. It's too early. I'm not going to jump into this. If you look at 15 minutes also, you can see what is going on there. It's making it to this high. It might clear also the liquidity above here and reverse. On 15 minutes, it looks bullish, but then this now crosses this. Okay, on 15 minutes, it has crosses my red. Okay, the green has crossed my red, and the market is above the green, which is the upper EMA. So let's see what we got. Who knows, this might be, it might first rally up or come down, but remember we are trading on 1 minute. So on 1 minute now, it looks like it's going up. I don't like regular candle, but at the same time, because of where you can see how clean, smooth it is with Ekineshi. You see, Ekineshi will give you very smooth, but regular candle, if you're saying up and down, up and down. Okay, guys, 1 minute to the market open. I'm going to put a sell stop right here. Why am I doing that? My green is below this red. I'm going to put a sell stop right here. Okay, sell stop right here. If the market, okay,
Order submitted,
comes down, I will be in that sell. Okay. Yeah, I put a sell stop there. As you can see, let's see. Okay, market is opening. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go. Okay, it goes up. It goes up. That's good. But my green is still below this red. I'm not going to join that, guys. I'm not going to join that buy. It's good. Don't chase the market. Let the market come to you. Let the market comes to you. The market is open. Ladies and gentlemen, let's make money. Okay, so right now you can see it's rally up. Okay, I'm not in that buy. Okay, because with what I have here, my green, this green is below this red. The only thing that will make me to buy this market is if the grain crosses over red above, and hopefully I'm even expecting it to come to oversold and crosses over here. But right there, I'm going to join it. I'm not going to join that buy because it might be a bait. It might be a bait. It might be a bait. So I'm not buying this market. Remember, not placing a trade is also a trade. I'm still not in any trade, guys. This grain, as long as it's below this red, I'm not buying. I'm looking to sell. Okay. This grain, as long as it's below this red, I am not buying. I'm looking to sell. That is my rule, the rule-based system. Okay. I put a sell stop here. Okay. This is a sell stop. I might remove that and readjust my entry, but I'm not buying. Okay, I'm not buying. It looks like it's going up. Let it do that, but it's too early for me to be, it's too late for me to put a buy. I rather buy below when the market is oversold and sell above when the market is overbought, but not to be buying over here. You want to buy your instrument when it is cheap. You don't want to be buying expensive. I mean, does that make sense to somebody? You see what I'm saying? You see what I'm saying? Ladies and gentlemen, you see what I'm saying? You see what I'm talking about? Now, it's going down. And if it goes back up, it's okay. But at least let's see what we got. I'm not going to buy, and I'm not going to FOMO, and I'm not shaking. Okay, so now it's minus 336. Let's see. Okay, if what's come towards, I'm going to add to position. I'm not even going to be buying this. The only thing that will make me to buy this, once again, is if this grain crosses this red, then I will take my loss, then I will look for another opportunity. But for now, it tapped my entry. Look at what that market did. It tapped my entry, then went back up. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I'm still in that sell. Hopefully this is 15. Okay, let's see. I'm looking for this to sell, not to buy. That buy is a bait. That buy is a bait. If you look at 5 minutes, let's see. On 5 minutes, this is below. On 5 minutes, also, this is below. My grain is below the red. So I'm looking for this market, ladies and gentlemen, to sell. Yeah. Is this scary? Yes, because it tapped me and went back to that place. It's okay. Let's see what we got. I'm going to, once this, yeah, it's still manipulating. Now, this is, let's see. This, now the grain and the red is fighting there. That is the bull and the bear is fighting. And now it's looking, it's looking like it wants to continue that up. Let's see that 15 minutes. Yeah, it's going up. On 15 minutes, grain has crossed the red. So it might move to this pivot point, but I'm going to wait. I'm not going to close this trade because I'm expecting this once again. That buy, I don't trust it. And number two, we are overbought right here. Okay. When this overbought, on 1 minute. Let's see right here. Green is still below my red on 1 minute. One thing you also need to know is that on 1 minute, there's so much noise. Paul says, what's the size of the Ekneshi boxes? What do you mean by the size? The Ekneshi is just Ekneshi. Or what do you mean by the size? Maybe I didn't understand your question. You might put it in the way I will understand. Okay. This account, I'm risking 2,000. If it gets to 2,000, then I will close. But then I'm still on this. You see this green crosses my red right there. It's fighting it. In fact, to be honest with you, I'm going to be adding to this. I'm going to be adding to this, but I need a red candle. I need a red candle. Let's see what we got. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Emmanuel Adegbola, okay, the Forex Apostle. Let's see if we go have a green day. It's showing like a red. But then let's see. It's too late to join that buy. So as long as my green is still fighting with this red here, let me see. So just in case you are just joining us, this is what I did, moving existing pain above. So this is my 9 triple exponential moving average, right? So, and this one here is stochastic RSI. So what I basically did is I moved this 10, this 9, okay, this is 9, where is it? This is 9 triple exponential moving average. So what I did is I move it to my stochastic pane below, okay, right there. Then I press on this auto. So now the rule is once the green is above red, we're on a buy. Once the green is below red, we are in a sell. So the reason why I didn't join this buy was because the green was actually below my red. So, and always remember, sometimes when you have candle like this, that up could be manipulation. If you are fast, that you must have possibly ripped that up. But I was actually waiting for a sell. I wasn't waiting for a buy. Okay. And it went against me, drawdown of almost 1,300. I'm trading online and many people are watching and I'm responsible indirectly for that. That is why I'm not being aggressive. Usually, if I wanted to be aggressive, I will add to my position up there. As this red pull down there, I would have closed that trade positive. I would have closed that trade positive, but it's still okay. You can see now I've reduced 5 from 1,300 drawdown. It's now 556. It's still okay. As long as this green is under this red, okay, I'm still okay, not shaking. But if this green should go back and cross this red up, then that might be a trouble. I might be looking to cut my losses and look for another opportunity to fill in the gap. But as you can see, one of the things that really will help you is trust your system. Now, if it goes back up there, it's going up. Okay, if it goes back up there, it's going up. It's going back up. Okay, you have to trust your system. Trust your system because number one, the market moves in a wave. Yeah, you will see something like this. You see, it goes up, it comes back to retest this. Now it's going back up, but my indicators now are contradicting each other. So this green is below my red, and that, to me, is telling me that this market's supposed to sell, irrespective of what might be happening to the market. So you can see. So let's see what is going to happen. Let's see what's happening. I mean, you don't need to freak out. One of the reasons why many people, fail in this market is not maybe they don't know what they are doing. They just don't trust themselves, or they don't trust their system. So on 5 minutes, you can see green is also below red. And on 1 minute, green is below this red. So as long as this green is below this red, I'm not going to close this trade. The only thing that will make me to close this position is when this green now crosses above this red. Then I will cut my loss and I will look for another opportunity. But as long as this is still like this, let's see what we got. Okay. Who is trading? Anybody trading? Who is buying? Who is on a buy? I'm on a sell. I know that sell, it came too early, but I'm still okay with what I have because my green is below my red, guys. Who is trading? Pastor Prince, you trading? You guys.
No,
okay,
I'm watching.
guys.
I'm watching this trade now.
You're just watching the trade. So what are you trading right now? Trading futures or trading forex?
I trade gold only.
Oh, okay. You trade gold. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, I was trading gold some weeks back, and I noticed that gold was just keep flying. So I didn't trust it again. So I just decided to. Decide to let it rest for now.
Yes, because I'm expecting it to come down at any point from now.
Yes. So what I expected from gold is for gold to at least retrace. Then I will join the bull again. Then let's buy. But for now, even though I don't like NASDAQ, because of all this volatility, but it's okay. We gotta do what we gotta do. Who again? Who is what about you, Pastor Lubenga?
Yeah, I am trying to be patient and allow that grade,
Okay.
to come to the real thing before I pull the trigger for sale.
Yeah, it looks like it's going back up because it go up, come back, retest, and close above here. That trade that I placed, that pending order, it tapped it and it came here. So that is actually what put me in that trade. If I had to wait, like what I said, this trade, you see right here, that red was what put me in that trade. But then it's like you'll be thinking, oh, maybe they have something monitoring you or watching you, or village people. They just tap you and go, but it's okay. So like I said, this system is a system that I'm testing out. It worked greatly last week, and I'm still trusting it for this week. As long as this grain, okay, this grain is below this red, I'm expecting this market to sell. On 15 minutes, it looks like is, you see, even on 15 minutes, you can see it's still even below it. It's below the red. On 5 minutes is below this red. So automatically, I'm expecting this market to retrace. And somebody would have said, oh, Apostle, so why didn't you follow this up movement? Yeah, I should have, but in trading, remember, there's nothing like I should have, I could have, I would have. You just work based on what you have. So if this should come down, I'm going to even add to this position if I see, so that I'll be able to. Let me close. Let me remove this indicator to kind of give me a little. Okay. So right now, this is what we have. It's still going up. I'm not going to freak out, and I'm not going to close this. I'm expecting this to go back down. Once again, the only condition that will make me to exit this trade is if this green now crosses this red above. then I will cut my loss for today and I will just call it a day. But as long as this still remain, I will leave this. Let's see what we got. On 15 minutes, we have this. Yeah, that trade, this is what actually tapped me up. That pending order, I shouldn't have put that pending order, but it's okay. In trading, there's nothing like I should have, I could have, I would have. So just you are responsible. By the way, remember, everything I'm doing is just educational purpose only, guys. Okay, not to be taken as financial advice. And you are warned not to trade with money you cannot afford to lose. If this comes back down there, I'm going to be adding to this position, but I'm trying to play it safe because I'm already on 10 micro contract already. So I'm just watching. Let's see what this market want to do. It might be a while. Stay. Let's see what we got. Let me look at the other trade here. Yeah, it looks like we stay. I'm expecting it to sell actually. Yeah, I'm expecting it to sell. I'm expecting that sell now. Now. All right, guys. So what's going on was our weekend. We had fun. Okay, take a look at what is happening here. Take a look at what is happening, guys. I told you, as long as this grain is below this red, I'm not closing this trade. I'm not closing this trade. Let me see what it's going to do. I'm tempted to add to the position, but I'm going to control myself. Okay, come on. Give me down. Come on, Nasdaq. Come on, Nasdaq. Now, if you look, I don't know if you guys can see that. This grain did not make it up there. This grain did not make it up there. So that is forming, for me, that grain is forming like a lower high. That grain is forming like a lower high. Oh, it's going back again. Come on now. That grain, you see this grain here? Look at this. Let me make it bold. This grain, the high, is higher than this if you look at it. Then this one is higher than this if you look at it. So this red, take out that and come back down. So I'm expecting if this can close below, then it's going down. It closes above it again. Let me see what's happening. Yeah, this is Ekineshi. Look at that. So the same thing. This is 1 minute. Ekineshi candle. Grain is still below the red. I'm not going to close this. It's going to be a long trade, but it's okay. It's going to be a long trade. But if it goes back up, then I'm going to close that and loss. So this here, looking like it's going back up. It's looking like it's going back up. But let's see. Let's see. I'm willing to take this risk. I don't mind. I don't mind to blow this even, but let's see. Yeah. I'm expecting. Okay. I'm expecting it to sell. It has, as long as this green, guys, is below this, as long as that is below, as long as this green is below this red, okay, that's what I'm looking at. right, guys. Come on. Give me volume. NASDAQ. I need volume. Yes, going back down. It's going back down. It's going back down. It's going back down. Okay. Come on, NASDAQ. You're tempting me. Come on, NASDAQ. As long as this green is below this red, guys, I'm not going to close this trade, even if it's going to blow. Oh, no. No, NASDAQ. Okay. You pump that up. You pump it up. Come on now, NASDAQ. Let's see. Okay. I need a red. Yeah, we entered that trade early. That's okay. This green is still below the red. And just to be sure that we're good, I'm going to realign it. Realign every 15 minutes. So this is my thermal. Okay, 9 triple exponential moving average here. So I will move it back again. Existing pain below. It's a breakout system. I'm pressing this A. Okay, so this is what I have. Okay, it's still below it, guys. It's still below it. It's still below it. Once I get a red, I'm going to add to this position since it has really moved up. I'm taking this risk. Sorry, guys, we entered that trade so early here. You see, it taps and it goes against us. But this is below, okay? This is still below. I'm trying to follow this system, guys, without just jumping. I'm trying to trust it, okay? I'm trying to trust it. Once this green is below this red, I'm still going to keep it. Once this green closes the red, I will exit my trade. I will cut my loss. Okay, I will cut my loss. So let's see. Yeah, someone just tell me, oh, Jesus, baby. It's crazy, 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 crazy. Okay, guys. Yeah, one of my guys just chatted me. The same thing is the market is doing. Okay, guys, we are still in this trade. I know we are in a drawdown, but it's okay. I'm not going to close this trade. Sorry, the reason why I'm not closing this trade, I've explained. As long as this my green is below this red, I'm not closing this trade, even though it's looking so tempting to me right now. Very, very tempting. Very, 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 very tempting. Very, very tempting for me to close this position, but I'm not going to. It's looking so tempting. It's looking so tempting. Looking so tempting, but instead of me to buy, I'm going to add to this sell position. That's what I'm going to do. So let's wait. Let's wait. Come on, NASDAQ. Oh no, NASDAQ. No, NASDAQ. Let's see, 5 minutes. What do we got? Yeah. So what is pushing this market up actually? Okay, so this is 2000. It's going to previous week high. This is a previous week high right there. That's previous week high. Okay, guys, what should I do? I'm following my system, but my sentiment is telling me, Forex Apostle, close this trade. But then the grain is still below red. Come on, guys. As long as this grain is below this red, I'm expecting this market to sell. What should I do? What should I do? What should I do? What should I do?
I think it might be better to cut the loss and wait for another timing.
Another entry?
Yes.
Okay. That makes sense. Now it's 2000. The way it looks now, it looks like it's pushing to this previous week high. Yeah, look at it, taps our entry and it just went up. Can you imagine? Okay. But I'm going to be very stubborn with this. Let's see. This grain, you see, when you follow your rule, if you look, this is where this buy starts from. Yeah. You buy when it is in oversold, you sell when it is in overbought. So it's too late for me to be looking for a buy. Highest, it pushed to this place, which is the previous week high, and I expect a retracement. That is the highest I'm expecting. Let's see, on 15 minutes, this is previous week high. This right here, there's a pivot. You see right there, there's a resistance. This is a pivot resistance we drew. On 4 hours also we drew this out. So right now, on 4 hours it goes up, it comes down. So on 4 hours, you can see what I mean. It's bullish on 4 hours. On 15 minutes, it just crosses it up, which that looks scary. But because I'm not trading on 15 minutes, I'm trading on 1 minute. So I don't want to follow this one here. So on 5 minutes, it's on overbought. Okay, it's on overbought and it just crosses it. You see right there, it has been fighting it. It has been fighting it, so I expect this to actually sell. Then let's come back to 1 minute where we are. So this is 1 minute. 1 minute, as you can see, I'm going to add to this position. I don't mind. I just add another 10, so that's 20 micro.
Order filled.
That's 20 micro. Now it is either we win this game, this trade, or we go home. Let's see. Come on, Nasdaq. Push down, push down, push down, push down for me. Nasdaq push down for me. Let's see. Let's see, let's see. Listen to music.
Yo, this is the Forex Apostle. Live Monday to Friday, 8 to 10. Let's
Let's see
go.
that trade.
Live futures trading with the Forex Apostle. Grinding on the charts. Profits in the gospel. Money moves daily. daily, discipline the model, risk it right, manage tight, that's how we prosper. Wake up early, markets calling, I'm here. Candles moving fast, futures crystal clear. NASDAQ running, E is on the line, every tick, every move, yeah, I study the signs, but yo, don't copy trades, this is not advice. Education only, gotta think twice. You hold the keys, every click that you choose. Respect the market, you can win, you can lose. Yo, listen up, don't get it twisted. You risk your money, don't trade it riskless. Don't trade cash, you can't afford to lose. Stay disciplined, wise, that's how you choose. The pay on purpose, that's my role. I guide with the knowledge, but you're in control. Risk management is king, money management too. Every outcome, yeah, it's all on you. Hey, life, you just trading with the books apostle. Grinding on the charts, profits in the gospel. Money move daily, discipline the model. Risk it right, manage tight, that's how we prosper. Life, you just trading with the books apostle. Grinding on the charts,
guys.
profits in the gospel. Money move daily, discipline the model. Risk it right, manage tight, that's how we prosper. Yeah. I seen losses, I seen wins. That's the grind. Trading ain't a sprint, it's a marathon mind. Patience pays, greed kills, that's the code. Stay in your lane, never overload. Yo, we build, not chase. Stack knowledge high. Trust the process, let the losses fly. You control the outcome, no blame the shift. Success comes slow, discipline's the gift. Life, you just trading with the books apostle. Grinding on the charts, profits in the gospel. Money moves daily, discipline the model. Risk it right, manage tight, that's how we prosper. Life, you just trading with the books apostle. Grinding on the charts, profits in the gospel. Money moves daily, discipline the model. Risk it right, manage tight, that's how we prosper. Yeah, this is the Forex apostle.
Yeah, guys, we are still in the trade. As you can see, we are still in the trade, guys. We're still in the trade. We're still in the trade. Right now, like you see, it's either this is retracement or we are pushing down. Like I said, as long as this green is below this red, I'm not going to, I'm not going to close the trade as long as this green, okay, is below this red and is fighting it, really fighting it. I mean, that trade kind of tripped us, but now it looks like it wants to go back up again, which is so tempting, but I need that push downward, guys. You see right there, your emotion is very important when you trade, okay? Your emotion is very important. Now it looks like it wants to push back up again, but it's okay. I'm still going to be in this trade as long as this green. You see, this green now comes back more or less now to oversold here. I need this to go back up, but then I need to go back down. And there's no volume, actually. There's no volume. So let's see. It's just going to be a long trade. It looks like it's going back up. Come on now, NASDAQ. It looks like it wants to push back up. It's fighting it. Okay, so we have it on 5 minutes. As you can see, on 5 minutes here, you see, it crosses here. I just need a push down. A push down. This trade is either we go home or we win it. Let's see. Oh no, come on. Don't go back up. Don't go back up, NASDAQ. Come on. I need you down. I need you down there. I mean, you've gone up. You need to come back down. You've gone up. You need to go back down. Yeah, that trade, I shouldn't have entered that trade, but now that I entered it, I'm following my system, not just to get out prematurely or get out of fear. I'm going to follow the system till when it tells me, okay, guy, exit. This grain is still below my red on 1 minute. Remember, we're trading on this 1 minute, and I'm not going to FOMO out. Okay. Yeah, there's no volume, so anything can happen. It can just push back up. Yeah, and let's see. A trade is a trade. Okay. A trade is a trade. Let's see what we got. Common Nasdaq. We're still on this trade, guys. We're still on this trade. Let me see. We're still on this trade. Okay, now we're still on this trade. Sorry, guys, it's going to be a very long, boring trade, but I'm going to keep it. Yeah, Mr. Paul, yes, I'm live on YouTube. That's why you can comment on YouTube. You see it right there. Yeah, we entered that trade early. I put a pending order for some of you that just joined us. I put a pending order sell right here, and the trade just came there, right there, tapped the trade and went back up. And of course, I've been stubborn not to exit the trade even when it reversed against me, which is bad. But then I'm trying to follow my rules. Somebody private chat, let's see. We guys saw in the channel where you stated that we can download Easy Trend for free. Okay, we'll get back to you, Pastor Adesope, later on that. Okay, so it tapped our trade and it went back up, which is quite unfortunate. But then the system that we are following, let me reduce the volume of this music. So the system we are following is, as long as this green is below this red, we are in a sell. Now, when you enter a trade, sometimes your trade could go on a drawdown, okay? And that is what we have right now. And number two, there's no volume at all. There's no volume. This buy, this sell, there's no volume. Look at here. Look at this. There are many buyers. You see, buy power 81, sell power 49. So I don't have many people joining me in this sell. It's quite unfortunate, but let's see if we can still win the trade. It's 9:08 here in dollars. That's 10:08 Eastern time. We're still in the trade. Let's see. I'm going to keep the trade. Okay, I'm going to keep it. Let's see how far we'll go with it. Okay, if you have any question, you can ask. As we trade, we teach, we learn. We also earn. So if you have any question, feel free. While the trade, we are just watching the trade. There's nothing we can do with it. Like I said, I'm not closing it as long as the green is below my red. If you have question on YouTube, type it. If you have question here in the studio, you can either type it on the private chat or you can enable your sound. So, Mr. Prince, what's going on?
First, I'm trying to see how I can set up that stochastic.
Okay, so to set it up, basically what to do is you are in TradingView, right?
No, I'm using my XNS.
The MT5.
Yes.
So if you're using MT5, let me see what it's little bit dicey with that, but let me see. You Let me restart that. Let me restart my MT5 and see. It's a little bit because I think you can use a trading view, and I believe you can still even use the free version, the subscription, which is free. Even though you will not be able to use so many indicators. I'm a visual person and I like indicators, but the way I set it up on excellence, let me see if I can share my screen. The trade is still on, guys. The trade is still on. Let me see. Let me share. Okay.
We live, we learn.
Okay. So I'm trying to share the screen. Share screen. Entire screen. I believe it's this one. I believe it's this one. Let me know which screen you can see. Do you see that, right?
Yes, I can.
Okay, so this is my XNS, right? So like this one, the way I set it up is this. This is stochastic, okay?
Okay.
This stochastic, no, this the triple, this is the triple EMA. So the level is right here. It's 9. Apply to close. So the star is red. So this is the terminal right there. Then
Okay.
this one here is the stochastic. So the settings is a little bit different to the one we have on trading view. So trading view, as you can see, I mean the on the MT5. So the percentage K is 50,
Okay.
percentage D is 3, slowing is 3, moving average. So I put main as the line, then the signal, I put it as none. So I remove the signal.
Okay.
So that's how I have it. So then I have 20 and 80. So this is the stochastic and this is the thermal. So if you look at it now, what we'll be looking is this. You see, on 5 minutes now, you can see green is below this red. So
Yeah.
I'm expecting that retracement or even reversal. So that's why I'm being stubborn not to close that position. On 1 minute, I mean on 2 minutes, you can see also on 2 minutes, the green is above red now, which is scary. But let's see on 1 minute, the green is above. So this stochastic here on MT5 is a little bit different to the one
Trading view.
on the trading view. So this is another this okay, let me see. This is let me restart this one here. So this is Equinox restarting. We're still on that trade, guys. So it's very slow, very, very slow. But let's see what's going to happen. Okay, so this is what's it called? This is Equinox. This is Equinox. So this is Nasdaq. So 5 minutes, as you can see, I'm expecting if this is another system which I will talk about later on. If we use this, we would have be on that long. But then it's okay. 1 minute. See, we have breakout now. This is customized what's it called? Bollinger Band. So I'm expecting this to continue downward, except it goes back up. This is which one is this? Yeah. See the same thing. This is the same. So right here on 1 minute, as you can see. So that's what we have. Hopefully I put this trade. Okay, let's see. So this is another account that I put the same trade. So right now it's on 130. So did you get that now?
Yes, I did. I
Okay.
will try it out now.
Yeah. So just try to you just have to. Like I said, you can subscribe to TradingView.
Okay.
Just be the free version, and you can work around it. Okay. So this is the trade we have on. We still have this trade, guys. We still have this trade. Ladies and gentlemen, we are still on this trade. 5 minutes, as you can see. 5 minutes. If it can just retrace, it can give us a green day. A green is a green. Even if it is just $10. I don't want it to go back down. Okay. We're still in this trade, guys. We're still in this trade. We need that. Just push. Come on, guys. I need you to join me to sell NASDAQ. Okay. It2. Let's see. We're still in that trade. We're still in the trade. Okay. Any question, guys? You have question, private chat. Let me see. Paul, please, what is the size of Ekineshi boxes? Trying to understand what you mean by the size. The Ekineshi, if you are using TradingView, I just put Ekineshi. But then if you are using MT5, then I use 2 as the size. But on TradingView, you see right here, this is Ekineshi, this is regular. So regular chart is this, and Ekineshi is this. So maybe I didn't get your question right. Okay, guys, we are still on this trade, trying to follow it and see. It's a shaking trade, challenging our trust in our system. But like I said, always just try and trust your system. Sometimes it could be very, very scary, very, very scary. But if you trust, the reason why we went to that big drawdown was because of the size we used. If I had used 5 micro, that would have been very, very easy for us to play with. But like I said, we still have good chances of closing this trade green. So let's see. We still have chance of closing this trade. Okay, just a little push more. Just a little push more, guys. Just a little push more. Even if it is $10, a grain is a grain, guys. Minus 281. We need that push down again. Just more. Who wants to join me? Put a sell. Let your volume help this. Okay, 171. Even if it goes to break even, I'm ready to close this trade. Okay, guys, ladies and gentlemen, this is part one. Okay, come on. 11, 28. Come on, 18. Oh, no. Don't go back. Oh, no. Come on, 161, 171. You see, this grain is below red. You see, as long as that happens, that trade is supposed to go. Come on now, don't go back. Oh, no, guys. Oh, no. NASDAQ, don't do me like this. Don't do me like this. Don't be like this. Don't be like this. Okay. Anything can happen from here. You see, this is down. Remember, we are trading on 1 minute. Anything can happen. Okay. Oh, guys. Okay. Come on. Push one. Oh, no. It wants to go back again. You see, it gives us down, and now it's trying to. Okay, I'm going to close this trade. It's becoming too. Come on. All right, $8. Man.
Order filled.
Man, that was so. right now I'm going to look for a very good setup. I closed that trade at very uh, small loss of $10. That's good. That is very good. Yeah, Prince is in the house. Let the party begin. Future Prince. Yeah, so we closed that trade, guys, with a very minimal loss. That was too emotional, guys. We went to draw down of over 2,000. That was crazy, but we still closed it like just $13, and with the swipe, spread everything. It just give us yeah, but this is good. This is good. Ah, man, what a lesson to be learned. So, in case you're just joining us, what happened was we put a pending order here for a sell, and the market came, tap it, and went back up. But then I was stubborn enough not to close the trade. It just kept going. And look at what is going. I won't be surprised if this thing comes down here. But like I said, there is no volume, guys. You can see the market is just struggling. Market is struggling. This is 922. The market is struggling. There's no volume at all. So if this goes back up, if this green closes above this red, and this give us a bullish candle, I might be buying it because it shows that the bull are still in control. But for now, we still have this, guys. We still have this. Okay, we still have this. Let's see. All right, guys. What's up, Prince? How you doing?
Hey, I'm doing good. Can you hear me?
Yes. The Asian man.
So I'm looking at the 4 hour time frame. If you look at the 4 hour time frame, it's hitting some type of liquidity. I think that's why the
Yeah,
market is kind
that's
of,
where the market is going. This is
yeah.
a
So
previous week
if,
high.
yeah, I would say
Yes.
whoever is in this market should want to look at a higher time frame
Yeah. This is
situation. So
this is previous week high
yeah.
right there.
Mhm.
And of course, like I said when we were starting right here, this bearish candle also very pronounced right here. It breaks this. So if let me maximize it. It's very dicey, very. Um, like right now, this red here, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All these 5 candles are still inside this red, which
Correct.
that means a lot. So let's see if the bear can take over this and put it down. But then, like you said, yeah, it could make it to this previous week high right here.
Yeah.
So that's very pronounced.
Yeah. I think
Very.
that high was actually made this was Thursday on the
Last week.
31st. Yeah, last week when it went all the way up, then
Mhm,
came all the way down. So
mhm,
if you look at liquidity right there, it's like 1.627 million right there for it to actually be able to come all the way down. Now
mhm.
it's getting to that same particular
Area.
area, so that's kind of somewhere you want to watch. So for me, what I do is that I'll draw a line around that area, then I'll go to a 5 minutes time frame and kind of watch that area as well. But of course, the I traded Asian time, so this market
Yeah,
has been going up.
yeah,
The bulls, they're taking levels, so that they're taking levels, so I don't know where the bears are going to come from, but it's
yeah.
just
This
for us to
candle
watch and
now.
see to see if that area are holding. If the bulls are able to take over that level, then
Mhm.
yeah, I won't be in this cell. Like it's.
Yeah.
Yeah,
This
what you
candle,
can.
this candle that is forming also means a lot.
It
If this
does.
candle closes above this my 20 EMA high,
Hmm.
that could be a way for the market to push back up. But if
Correct.
this candle closes red, and remember, we are still following this. Maybe I don't know if you connected on YouTube or if you joined late.
Let's join
This
late.
is a customized, stochastic RSI. So basically, what I did was I have here. This is my thermal. Okay, move to existing plane above. So this is my thermal, right? So this is my stochastic. Basically, what I did was disable the D, okay? And I gave it a format. And I mean, this is just a teaching purpose also for you guys. So my stochastic length, I put it on 50 and RSI 50 just to show me the average trend right there. So what I now did was I moved my thermal down so to the existing plane below. So right here. So what happened is the rule is simple. As long as this green, as you can see right here, if this green is above this red, it's a buy. And if that also confluence with this, so this would have been my buy signal right there. But we are trading on 1 minute, so we missed that before the market opens. So right now, because this my green also is below this red, I am very, very careful in buying, especially on 5 minutes. So this right here, this red is still above this green. That is very, very tempting. But if it's on 1 minute, see 1 minute, the green also is fighting. Do you see? This green, as long as it's below, you see, as long as it's below this red, that's why I didn't close my trade early, because the green has been below. Trust me, this market is still coming down. The only reason this will continue up is if this green crosses above this red. If I do back testing, and go, let's do a quick replay. Let's look at what happened on Friday. You will see what I'm talking about. Friday, we have.
Yeah,
Yeah, there's no news.
I don't think the Bears are coming in.
Yeah,
They
there's no
they can't
news.
they're not coming in.
There's
Yeah,
no news.
yeah,
You need,
the book. Yeah, man, this is the Bulls are the one like
yeah,
taking
there's no
over.
news. There's no news at all. So we need that news and I need people like Mr. Kasha to join me to sell, to push the market down.
We don't have the liquidity. We're not
Yeah,
like Jim
big,
Cramer that has hedge funds friends that he can
big,
call.
big, big banks, big
It's,
banks. Okay, so let
uh,
me. Yeah, this market is very very annoying, very, very
yeah,
annoying.
I won't. Yeah, the last hope, the last line of defense I had for the Bears for them to push it down. They didn't. It's a buy. Yeah, it looks like it's a buy. Like
Mhm.
I'm looking at everything right now. Like they just came. It acted as if it was coming down. They just
And
sweep
it's
that
reversing
liquidity
back
right
up.
there.
It's reversing back up.
Yeah. It's going back. It's going back up. Yep. So it just broke. Yeah.
Okay, so I'm just trying to show you the trade I placed on Friday, which was a very home run. It's right here. Okay, yeah, this is for my Friday trade. Home run, big home run right here. This was market opens. You see, right here. Okay, so when that market opens, because this one was below, you see, this was below the red. I didn't join the buy on Friday. I waited. So I was waiting for a good opportunity right there. Right there. Good. This was the trade I placed on Friday. This trade. I put it actually on 5. It was a 5 micro. And so just put a sell. Then I let it run. It went on that drawdown, but my stop loss was way up there. Mental stop loss. So now it's, you see, it was fighting it, Then start, as long as this green is below the red, I left the trade to run. You see, I left the trade to run. And this was where I closed it, right there.
Oh, I see.
This was where I closed it, right there on Friday. I mean, it was, I think I posted it on the group. So this was where so it, like, if we come over now and see what's going on here, we can see that this market, even though it looks as if it's buying, is because there's no volume. But like I said, I won't join the buy. I won't join the bull. I'm just trying to follow the system very, very clearly right now.
So so pretty much you're more of a contrarian. You're not seeing this buy, even though we're breaking levels.
No, I'm not buying. The reason why I'm not buying it, number one, even though the buyers are more than, I'm a visual person, I'm a technical trader, right? So, but when you look also over here, there's a buy power of 70, there's also a sell power of 60. As long as this sell power is 60 and above, there's every possibility also that they can step in. Secondly, like I said, I'm just following the system. If I'm not using all these indicators that I'm looking at the alignment, I would have possibly even followed this morning. But then this green now, as you can see, is still below this red. Don't be surprised when London market closes in the next 1 hour, 30 minutes, the market might still sell off. Or maybe during your session, I call it your session.
Yeah, of course. My session, what I love about my session is that my session is very slow. I'm not, I don't want to be on high blood pressure medication. So
it's like Mr. Cash Out is in the house. Let the party begin.
yeah, I don't want to be on high blood pressure medication. So my
DJ, how's it
session is
going?
very slow and steady.
Yeah, it's going good. I'm still at the backyard.
Oh, really? I think I brought you in. You are here. That's
Oh,
why
okay.
we can hear you.
Oh, you guys can hear me now?
Yes.
Yeah, we can hear you.
Oh, okay. I just add my name, so I said, let me come help with $10 billion to push it down. Man.
Did you trade this morning?
Oh, yes.
How was
it? I mean that buy, though.
Oh, that's a good one.
I
was in a sell.
Yeah,
I was in a
that buy
sell, and it was earth shaking, but we closed it at very minimal, very, very minimal loss, like 20. Actually, we closed it green, but due to the spread, so now is what we have: 12 minus $12, minus $7, minus so.
I think it's at the market is at the critical state. The price point right now is it's trying to break the previous week high.
Yep.
So I think that's what it's fighting for, because there's a lot of liquidity up there. So you might want to push. Yeah, it's a lot of liquidity there. You might want to push to go get it, or just fake sellers in, retrace a little bit, and push back up.
Yep.
You know, so it might see.
This previous week high right now, this place.
Yeah.
Let's
So
see. Yeah.
I might want to dance with the market, you know, just sell
What type of
or
dancing? Reggae or blues?
so, but no, it's at the critical point.
Yeah,
So,
right now I will advise whoever wants to enter this trade to just take a breather. I mean,
yes, yes,
this is a sideways market. This is what I call account killer. Like your account will be gone. Right now it's
It
just
could be
plain
suicidal, right?
anybody could be right. If you say sell, you could be
yeah,
right. If you say buy, you could be right. But at this point, we do not know because it's at a very critical point where the market has to make a decision right now.
yeah,
Mhm.
Yeah, so
And today now there's no news.
yeah. There's no news, so yeah, no, there's no volume like that. It's
There's
just
no
I
news.
think it's
There's no
we
volume.
retail traders that are still in this market.
Yeah,
Mhm.
nothing is going. That right now there's no. I think right here there's a pivot line here. That's a 15 minutes, but then it's just too dragging. One can be sleeping on this trade right now.
oh yeah.
I guess I might join Prince to trade Asian this evening. Maybe
Oh,
you
Oh,
okay.
can
So
is
yeah,
that
handle
right?
we can trade Asian
Man of God,
together.
if you just go and sleep.
it.
Yeah, I
So
just
I
know
just
that
put the trade.
The Asian time is very, very slow. What we
It's
do.
slow though, and sometimes
Yeah.
there's good volume. Oh. Sometimes you
Oh
see
yeah, yeah.
volume.
Like
Oh.
yesterday was there was some
Yeah,
volume came.
yesterday was the volume just kicked in. I was just
I
push.
saw it that time, but man, I was so tired to even place
Yeah, I
it.
was just
I was looking
pushing.
at it.
So yeah,
I
you know,
was
you
looking
can
at
still
it.
grab your this thing and just get the hell out of the market.
Yeah.
So
I was looking at
But
it last night. Yeah,
yeah,
I was
yeah.
looking at it last night. Oh my. Yeah, nothing is really good. Anyway, by the way, we just having fun. We Monday when I didn't see there was no news, so we just
the market is gonna be boring when there's no news like that.
except when London session closes in the next 1 hour 20 minutes. Maybe we can see some other reaction, but for now,
Mhm.
not placing a trade is also a trade.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
So like
All
right
My
now,
Yeah, my thing about this market is that when are the bears gonna come? Like that's so the market just keep going up. Like it's like
I
man.
mean, when you're talking about when are the bears gonna come, the market. Oh, don't forget that the bear dominates just this Friday. Don't forget that.
anything can happen
So
anytime.
this is just Friday. Bear dominate. So Monday, you know, the bull. What happened? They take over. So it's still the same thing. It's not
But
like maybe it's been going up,
also
up, up, up.
remember this. Okay, we have taken out now this one. We've taken out this right here, the high of this red. Okay, we've taken out this, but don't 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 be too relaxed because we are still within this long 4 hours bearish candle. This
Yeah.
candle, this
Yes.
candle can still close back even red today. And
Yes. Because we're still within that range.
if you go to daily, even though we trade on lower time frame, so now on daily, this is indecision candle right here. We are still also within that indecision candle. You see right there. Let me remove all this pivot line. Okay. So we are still, you see that indecision candle up, down here. So how I feel this market will go, if it closes above this one, it's going up there. If it doesn't close above this, like this place, okay, Asia market this evening to London, it might be a sell thereabout. because if you look at it, this has been more or less like a ranging market, actually on higher time frame. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it right there. So 4 hours, we're still within also. Then 15. But there's nothing. Based on my system that I'm using, I'm expecting a sell. See, on 15 minutes again, guys, you can see the green crosses red. It's telling me, get ready. Some bears are trying to get.
There's a lot of selling pressure there.
Yeah. Yes, you see, right
So
there.
what's just going on? I think the bulls, they're trying to absorb more orders. They're just trying.
Yeah.
You know, this is not their play at the moment. It's just better to be on the sideline. I mean, to be on the sideline because the market is going to be sideways.
I just go and play golf and come back tomorrow.
Come back tomorrow, yeah.
Yeah, I was reading a saying on trading. It says trading is 10% buying, 10% selling, and 80% waiting.
That's
Like for some reason that for you to wait, it's a virtue. You know, it's like yesterday for me with Asian time. If I'd waited for that 5 minutes to go by first, my rule is that I need to wait when the market open. I need to wait for at least 5 minutes before I jump into the market. As in, I was so giggerish to enter the market. Immediately I entered the market, I was down. You know, I was already down. I had to now start. Then when the 5 minutes now came and I really saw what the market was about to do, then I kind of switched my position before I made money. But if I had if I waited for 5 minutes, I could have seen the market clearly. So right now, this is a waiting.
So when do you normally trade? When do you normally trade? When do you normally trade your London session? What is the actual time you normally look at?
Asian. So Asian starts around 5. So what I try to do, I try to wait for 5:05 before I enter the trade for me to see what the market is actually doing.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's what I do.
Because there are some people like around that time, immediately the market open like this, they are ready to just, so there's volume.
Yeah.
Then too, there's volume,
So
a little bit of volume.
6 p.m. our time, Central Time.
No, it's 5 p.m. our time.
So around that 5 p.m. So, but most of the time that I see Prince trade is around that 6.
No, that was when he post, because I told you the market slow.
Okay.
Prince, are you there?
Yeah. Yeah, you're right. So the market is very slow by the time I open WhatsApp and post it and all that stuff. So what I will start doing is that I think when immediately I enter the trade, I kind of post it. I can post it in the group, just say, hey, I'm in the trade now. Then but I usually start trading around that 5:05. Then I like to bracket my trade, set my stop loss, then my TP, and just kind of let it go and cook, go and wash plate, go and do everything because you're going to be there for a while. Yeah.
Because it's very slow.
That market is a slow motion.
It's slow. Go and play video game. Go and do whatever. Just
the reason
let
why
it fit your brackets.
The reason why sometimes I don't trade Asian is because it's either for ministry work. That's when we have Bible study, one thing or the other, and of course family time also. So but I think London session, I used to love London session, but even London session these days is nothing also.
Yeah, Apostle, I would say if you have like a minute or two, just place it. Do a bracket trade where you set your stop loss, set your take profit, and just leave it.
And go and be doing your thing.
One cancels the other one. So if you hit your stop loss, your limit is closed. If you hit your limit, your stop loss is closed. So and you don't have to come back. If you can be in church and do whatever, then you come back and take a look at it.
I will try it this week because it's like a long New Year session is becoming too volatile.
Yes.
Very, very volatile. And let's even see what gold is doing, even though I try to be very discipline. Sometimes I try to
Well,
trade good.
you guys wanna leave only me. Why now? This
See
is
good.
Prince. What are you doing?
Even good is
This is the plan work.
oh, so Prince trade good, right? On Nasdaq.
No,
No,
Nasdaq.
good. Good took all my money. I'm never, in fact, I don't want to hear the word good.
You don't want to hear the word G?
G? No, good. Took all my money. I don't
Wow.
understand good. When Bolaji taught me how to trade, he taught me Nasdaq. So I remain loyal.
To Nasdaq.
Nasdaq.
Well, guys, nothing is happening in this market, and thank you guys for stopping by the studio to say hello to us. And I hope this week is going to be a good week. Let's see. I think the news Wednesday will be busy, Thursday, Friday, but today and tomorrow there's no news. And I also have this on my chart. BJ, I told you about this indicator, right? Like even if I
I'm
don't,
using it. Yeah,
yeah,
to tell
even
you
if I
there's
don't
news.
go, you see right there, I see it right on my. Then when I'm trading, I see the line right there is telling me, okay, there is a red folder news. So now it's now left for me. Do I want to trade that time or try to avoid that time? So I think it's a very good indicator if for you guys, if you are using a trading view. It's called Forex News with Alerts, Nacho Doc. So it's really, really good because sometimes I don't really need to go outside of my chart to see what is going on. So we're looking to Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Guys, once again, we just want to say thank you for today. I hope you know that everything we're doing is just for educational purpose. We are not telling you what to do with your money. And you also know that you shouldn't trade with money you cannot afford to lose. However, the day is still young. I'm still going to be right here in my lab trading because I'm still looking, to be honest, I'm still looking to sell this market today. I'm not willing to buy. I know you guys. I know you guys are saying, Apostle, what do you mean? Yes.
I'm also okay.
I'm still looking to sell this.
Apostle is he's so biased to the downside. Like, no, I can't see this buy.
I'm going to call
I
George
am saying
Soros.
it.
I'm going
No,
to call
I already told
PW.
Apostle I'll borrow you $10 billion.
If I see somebody that can borrow me
Apostle wants to
1
be the one.
trillion,
Apostle, you sure you don't have another hedge fund and friends
Apostle
you
want to
can
be the one to
call
no,
drag
to
you
put?
down.
I'm going to
This
call
market doesn't want to go down, man. I'm
I'm
looking
going to
at this
call
thing. This
Tori.
thing just want to keep going down.
I
I
will
guess
call Tori.
Neo was right. So I don't know if
I
Neo
will
is on.
call Tori. I will call Tori Trades PW, all of the big futures trader to join me to place a sell. This market, when London closes, you will see what I'm talking about. When London market closes, you can still see either it might continue ranging for the rest of today, or you will just see a mini sell off to this area right here. So I will be keeping an eye on it. You see this grain? I've backtested this system like backward, and it didn't fail. This grain here, this is on 1 minute now. If it comes here, it crosses this my red down. You see here what it did here? That's this move. All I need today, I don't need too much of move. I only need small move like this. You know, I hope I don't know if you guys have noticed that in futures you don't need too many movement.
Oh yeah, of course, definitely. That's why.
You
That's
only
why we're.
need
That's why we're in futures.
just very small points. Capture it and run. And that's exactly what I'm looking for when this London session closes in the next 1 hour, 10 minutes. But by then, we will still be here. You see, right there, you see what it's trying to do. If this red closes below this my low channel, By the way, you guys know this is 20 EMA, 20 EMA. This one applied to high, this one applied to a low. This is RSI, stochastic RSI. I remove the percentage D, and this is my 20 triple exponential moving average lay over it. So it's just the basic system. If you want this, I can share it with you. Just let me know in the chat. I can test it out. But to be honest with you, I have tested. I've spent money, bought different indicator, guys. See, invite only. Invite only. See, all these indicators were purchased. They were, but at the end of the day, I discovered all of them, all what they just did was taking 20 EMA or 20 simple moving average and just rename
just
it.
playing around with it. Yeah, that's what
Just play around it. So I just went back to the basics.
Yeah, price for me, price action is still king, man.
Yeah.
You need to be able to find where your liquidity areas are, support and resistance. That's
Right.
old school. That's old school trading. You
Right.
still have to do your top down analysis from your higher time frame all down to your lower time frame, and that's key. So you're 100% right. You know, I've been stuck in that circle as well, buying indicators and buying indicators, and I came to the realization that price action is king. You
Over
need to know
90% of indicators are lagging.
they are,
because they get their data from the movement, from the price action. So so the market must have moved before
before they tell you what's going on.
Before they tell you what's going on.
Yeah, the best lessons I receive is learn how to draw trend lines.
Yes.
Learn how, that's if you know how to draw trend lines, that's the only lesson that you pretty much need. So maybe indicator for confirmation if there's any.
So what happened is like 20 EMA down, that one just act like as if you are drawing a trend line too.
That's dynamic. So like if you are drawing trend line, this is your trend line from here now over here. So on trend line, basically now I'm looking for a sell because there's a break also. But if you follow Tory strategy, you need to have the backup here where your stop loss will be, but I don't really need that. So like right here, if you look, if you start, I mean, this is 1 minute. You don't want to be playing on 1 minute to see what is going on, ideally. So at least 5 minutes is a little bit reliable. You can see right here, we're still on a very strong bullish right here. Very, very strong bullish. But then that retracement that somebody like me is looking for is where I need to make that simple money. Even
so Apostle, don't worry, I can still help you sell this market.
Help me.
I'll wait till I think 11 when the London close.
You people are going on Akeda. This is Akeda move, you guys. Suicide bomb.
From here?
No. You know, I don't want Apostle to be left alone.
Yes. BJ loves me, you know, right there. Right there. You see, you will be surprised that you can still sell to, if you can witness this sell to this line, you're good for the day. I don't need too much movement. You see, I don't need too much movement. So let's see what we got. You see right there.
It's gonna be interesting today. Why there's no news? So we need that volume. Nobody's in this market except me and Apostle.
I really wish to see what's going on with all those guys streaming also. Because it's all of us are trading. You see right here, nothing is really happening. Let's see. So I used, like, based on what you said, BJ, I use this EMA. You see right there. This is apply. The EMA source is high. Then this one here is low. So basically what I do is once the price action closes below the low channel is a sell. And if it's concerned with this, if it closes above like this is a buy. So far, this also agrees with it. So it's very simple system that I believe it's all every other indicators, like I said, have spent thousands upon thousands on all these indicators. If I lay them on this thing, you'll see it's pretty much almost the same. Pretty much almost the same thing. So, well, guys, it's $9:55 time, and as you can see, there's no too much happening. But then, like I said, I'm still waiting to see. This is how the day is right now. This is how the day is. We closed this trade actually green, but due to the spread, it's give us -$17, -$2, -20. So a day, a green is a green. I need like $50 across board. $50 across.
If not, Apostle, you come join me in Asian time. We'll be lucky to have you.
Yeah, we'll be glad. But remember, everything we're saying, we're not telling you what to do with your money. Do not trade with the money you cannot afford to lose. That's just
even though all money is what you cannot afford.
no, so there are some money, like money you use for prop firms, you have agreed that okay, it's either you blow it or you pass the challenge. Like this morning, my trade went to drawdown of over $2,000. But I didn't close it because this green was below my red, and I said I will not close it, and I didn't close it. I finally closed it at like $15 or $8 per grain, and that was actually what happened. Right? All right, guys. I hope we learned one or two things this morning. Let's see what the market will give to us tomorrow, and
the Forex Apostle. Live Monday to Friday, 8 to 10. Let's go. Live futures trading with the Forex Apostle. Grinding on the charts. Profits in the gospel. Money moves daily. Discipline the model. Risk it right, manage tight. That's how we prosper. Wake up early, markets calling, I'm here. Candles moving fast, futures crystal clear. NASDAQ running, E is on the line. Every tick, every move, yeah, I study.
Okay, now you guys need to dance.
Education only gotta think twice. You hold the keys every click that you choose. Respect the market, you can win, you can lose. Yo, listen up, don't get it twisted. Risk your money, don't trade it riskless. Don't trade cash, you can't afford to lose. Stay disciplined, wise, that's how you choose. On purpose, that's my role. I guide with the knowledge, but you're in
okay, guys, now.
Okay, BJ.
It's all on you. Hey, live, you just trading with the Forex Apostle. Running on the charts, profits in the gospel. Money move daily, discipline the model. Risk it right, manage tight, that's how we prosper. Live, you just trading with the Forex Apostle. Running on the charts, profits in the gospel. Money move daily, discipline the model. Risk it right, manage tight, that's how we prosper. I seen losses, I seen wins, that's the grind. Trading ain't a sprint, it's a marathon.
Okay, guys, so we're going to be closing the stream for today. Thank you so much for joining.
Thank you very much, Apostle.
And we continue tomorrow.
Yeah, thank you, sir. We enjoyed the company of the rest of the gurus. I mean,
yes, sir. Thank you.
So much wisdom coming out from there. Thank you very much.